It is clear out tonight. Someone stated that I should probably give a tour of this place. I don't know why. Maybe they're gonna set me up and rob me or something. The last person tried that, didn't work out too well. The police here in Prescott Valley are pretty quick. Anyway, so the first we're gonna come down here in the first place we're gonna look at, and here is my used to be my son's room, and he turned 20 and out of the house. The blankets and sheets back there are just to cover up boxes. Behind them, all there are boxes. Boxes full of papers, boxes full of old sheets, boxes full of old blankets, um, things like that, because I live in an apartment and the boxes full of all that mute the sound of my drums. And that's the reason that I have them and have it like this. But if my son wanted to move back, as you can see, it can be, set up again for him. Um, yeah, I do play a little guitar. I think the first song that I taught my son was 25 or 6 to 4 by Chicago. When he was in high school, and he was hoping to play a guitar in the school band, but they canceled those out for some reason, and they gave him a cornet, which he could not play because his cheek muscles were not developed enough, I guess, the way they put it. And so then they gave him a clarinet, which he played, and he did that for 2 years. As my grandfather says, if you learn to play an instrument, you will never starve. And that's mostly true. There's one young lady who I won't name her, but now she's famous, and she cried because she burned some ramen once when they were just kind of starting out. So, but yeah, you can actually go down to a park and play, and people will drop money, and get you a gig or something. And so, anyway, that's pretty much that room. And we'll swing around to my bedroom. Here's a little wrinkle on the bed. This is my fake ficus tree. I was laughing one morning. I had eye surgery about a month or so ago, and I've got a new bed. And this bed is firmer. And I woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning, and as you can see, my room is white. The whole place is white. But I woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning. I was facing the direction we're pointing at now, and all I saw was white. And I remember during, right after the eye surgery, all I saw was opaque white. So it kind of startled me. I thought I had lost my sight or something. That was kind of funny. Anyway, I have a portable air conditioner because this place doesn't come with air conditioning, and I have a air cleaner, my dresser and my TV. I doubt anybody wants to see this, but you never know. That's my lovely bathroom. Oh well. And we're going to swing around here. And this is my kitchen. Yeah, see all the pastries? That's because there's kids around. Give them sugar high and send them home. No, I'm joking, but yeah, this is my kitchen and this is a freezer / test bench. And then you swing around. Excuse me for this is where I do all my editing and blogging and so forth. I've got actually 7 different microphones set up in here, and I use a number of editing tools, believe it or not, because it's just me. I don't have a videographer. I think I mentioned that before. Is it a videographer for a her, or videographer him for a him? But I don't have a cameraman or a camera woman. So it's me, and I have to do a lot of editing when I make these things. And right now I'm using Ablation and a lot of other things that are easy to use. Wondershare, Filmora, that's one that I use for sure. And XSplitCam if I'm blogging or whatever, if I'm doing a live stream. And now I'll use XSplitCam. I can also, with that, I don't need my green screen. I do have green screen, but I don't use it that much. The XSplit VCam comes with a lot of different things, and I can put myself in front of a pond or something like that. It works really well. They didn't pay me to say that, but I also use Juice, and let's see, what else do I have? I change programs, or I use different programs all the time. Which I'm sure a lot of people use as well. You know, I use PDF Pro for some things, which is the A shampoo version, and you have to use Visual Watermark for the simple fact that I had a photo I posted, and it was me in uniform, and someone took my head off and put their head on, and they were trying to get thank yous and all that stuff for Veterans Day, etc. And so now I've got a visual watermark going across, and I hate people that do that. But I've got a shampoo video optimizer. Let's see, what all do I have? I do a lot of benchmarks once in a while. I use GIMP also for editing. And there's HP Photo Pro and OBS Studio. InView, Lightwork. Let's see. What else? Sketchbook, I use that too. 4K capture utilities. I use that because I do a lot of 4K filming. And I use Logitech because I have Logitech webcam up there. If you can see it, I don't know. A lot of people can't. What else do I use? I use a lot of different ones. I even use some that, and yeah, I do have two 32-inch monitors sitting here because I was using them a while ago. Sometimes I'll use two monitors to, when I'm editing something really long. I mean, if it's like lengthwise and I want to do an edit, I'll use that. Let's see, I'll use Blue as well. And one program that I use is MGI Photo Suite, which I've had for many, many years. And even though it says it won't work on Windows 10, it does. I got it to work. And the same thing with what's this one? ViewPrint Pro 32. And for music, I use APO Equalizer, and I use blenders, and sometimes I'll use Stream Deck if I'm streaming, live streaming. Let's see, is there anything else? And I'll use Stream Deck too. This pops up, and I can choose to record or screenshot or flashback recording, stream, live community, live commentary, OBS Studio, scenes, mixer. I can mix my audio, record, audio mics. There's just a lot of different things that I've picked up over the years that I use. And it started off as a fun thing, and it still is, and it should be. You know, just you should have fun doing things. Don't If it's something you love to work at, then you'll love your job. You know. And so anyway, this is basically I've got my big TV there, my printer and such, and got floodlights there, and it's an actually kind of a small place, but I've been here for 15 years. Never had a problem myself with it, and so I'm all for it. Yeah, kind of funny. I got like a bobblehead, if you can see it. Jack Sucks at Life. I thought that was kind of funny. And my long flasher coat, that's what I call it. It's it's like a long overcoat for when it rains and snows and such. And I call it a flasher coat. It doesn't have anything sewn on the inside of it, such as watches and stuff like that. But I call it that just as a joke, you know. And yeah, but like I say, I've been here for 15 years, and for 15 years, these curtains have pretty much been closed. And I'll tell you the reason why is because when someone comes up the stairs, even if they're going next door, they have to turn left. And when they turn left, they're looking right in my apartment at me. And if I'm watching TV or whatever, I get freaked out. I mean, I don't get freaked out, but it's just creepy, you know, people walking up and they can look right in at you. I don't know who decided to put that there. You know, it would have been great if they would have put like the stairs coming up, and then I don't know, maybe put the window way down or something. I don't know, but yeah, I just plus I do have some art in here that I don't want the sun because it comes up in that from that direction, and man, it blazes through here. And if I want to during the winter time, all I got to do is open those curtains, and it'll warm up 10, 15 degrees in here just from the morning sun coming up. But you know, it's still creepy when people, because that's when everybody's getting up, going to work, and some people are coming home and they just like looking inside your apartment, you know, and then you got it's like if you got some people that you really don't want to answer the door to. I'm serious, and they come up and uh, they want to ring your doorbell and talk to you, and I don't want to do that. I got nothing against religions and all that. It's fine with me, but I just don't want to talk to them. And so I've got a ring video doorbell that I can look out through and see who's actually there. And you know, like I say, I've got cameras set up all in here in case someone does break in. They'll get recorded, you know, and so anyway, that's pretty much it. You know, you can do a lot with a little space. I guess that's the main takeaway of this video. And so I hope you enjoyed this. And if you got any questions or suggestions or whatever, leave them down in the comments. And if you want to, give us a thumbs up. If you don't want to, well, that's understandable. Um, don't forget to subscribe, and we will catch you next time. Have a great day and stay warm.